Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at RKLB. This was a stock analysis request from one of the followers, and I just wanted to remind you that anyone can make these requests and I will most likely cover them, especially if there is an actionable trade setup to follow. Now, in the case of this stock, we are looking and tracking the uptrend from the all-time low here from April 2024, and then I would say that this is wave 1 up, a wave 2 down here, then this could be the third wave up. I am also considering the scenario that this entire movement is still within the third wave, but my preferred interpretation is that we have a 1, 2, 3, and then this as a fourth wave down, and then this as the fifth wave that would actually complete the entire wave 1, whereas after we would be looking for a wave 2 correction in a 3-wave move. Now let's add a count to this assumption, and let me move it. And here we are focusing on this fifth wave that has been developing for quite a while now, since April, and within it I would say that we are tracking an ending diagonal, and that is mainly due to how this structure within this third wave actually developed. Looking at the RSI, it suggests that that is the actual top of the third wave, but I cannot really see anything but 3 waves in this area, so that would be my preferred interpretation for now. I could see scenarios where this would still turn into something different. It could still turn into an impulse maybe, but it is a bit difficult to actually consider this an impulse, so I prefer to be tracking this as a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave up here, a fourth wave down, and then we would be in the fifth wave now, where since we would be tracking an ending diagonal, I would expect an ABC pattern to complete this overall fifth wave, completing even the larger fifth wave and the wave 1 all together. Now this still has a lot of room to extend. Consider that this is just the wave 4. This could be indeed the entire ABC within the fifth wave, completing the entire move, but it could very easily extend where even the A wave could turn into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this would be the wave A, and then we would be looking for a wave B, possibly in 3 waves, and then another 5-wave move to the upside in a wave C that could push a lot higher. And here, assuming first that we are tracking a smaller 3-wave move to the upside that could possibly complete this correction, I would be looking for the wave B to hold the support in the area between the $45.6 down to the $40.7 level. Now it is not yet fully confirmed that this B wave is complete. I could still see a chance that we retrace back within it, where the correction overall extends, although it is a lot more favorable based on the current structure that this movement to the upside has already started. And assuming that this is indeed developing as a wave C, I would normally look at the 100% extension for the ideal target at the $56.3 level, but considering the actual structure within this movement, I would rather expect something much bigger, especially if it is to develop in a 5-wave move, since I would not even consider that the third wave would then be complete and it might already reach the 100% extension. Now, as I said, this is one way to look at this development, at how it develops. Overall, this fifth wave, within the fifth wave to the upside, even as an ABC pattern, could still turn out to be a larger A wave only that could itself contain a wave 1 up here, a wave 2 down, then this could be a third wave up that would have an ideal target instead at the $62.8 level as opposed to the 100% extension, and I think I may even prefer that interpretation, to be honest. And that means that we will focus on this being a 1-2 setup instead, and then I would be looking for this movement that is developing right now to reach the $62.8 level. We can see once the next movement is complete, so this is an area of risk once we complete this next movement that we need to be very careful around. But if we manage to hold the support zone for a wave 4, then we can continue to track the 5th wave to the upside as well. But again, I would be very careful about that, because this is an A wave, and A waves can be either a 5-wave move or a 3-wave move that could very well end here. And for now, I don't know if we should go too much into the shorter time frame here. I would say, okay, this is a 1-2 setup, this could be another 1-2 setup, and then this could develop as the 3rd wave up. Seems to be still ongoing, and based on the RSI, yeah, it seems that this may be even another 1-2 setup here. It is not very clear. It is a very short time frame, and it is extremely fragile, so I will leave it at that for the moment. Keep in mind the ideal targets. For a C wave, more conservative, the $56.3 level, and for wave 3, the $62.8 level. We still have the support zone here in blue for backup, and for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.